The following Loan Plus 3 loan management software training video is to outline the procedure for creating and delivering an Equal Credit Opportunity Act, ECOA, compliant credit denial letter to customers whose loan applications have been denied or approved for a lesser amount. From the main menu, select Credit/App, then select App Search. This will bring up the application search window for previously saved applications. If the customer's name is not seen when you open this window, you can search for the customer. Once the customer is visible, select the ECOA button to bring up the Letter Create screen. Additionally, the letter can be created from the application screen by selecting ECOA at the bottom of the application. The ECOA letter create screen includes the following: first name of the loan applicant, last name of the loan applicant, generation, if desired, adding the Mr. or other professional last name title, mailing address of applicant, city, mailing city of applicant, state zip, mailing zip of applicant, type of letter. The following are the types of letters available and explanations of each: denial letter for all customers, general denial letter for all customers who have been denied for any loan amount, ECOA, approve for less letter for current customers, loan applicants that have had a previous loan that applied for a specific amount, but because of company policy did not qualify for the amount requested, but did qualify for a lesser amount, like if they were late often and company policy allowed for less and not a complete loan denial. Approve for less letter for new customers, loan applicants that have not had a previous loan that applied for a specific amount, but because of company policy did not qualify for the amount requested, but did qualify for a lesser amount and not a complete loan denial. Source. No outside source. The credit decision was made using only the application submitted. Example: the application was not fully completed, the source of income was not sufficient, and no additional outside source was used. A credit report was not pulled. Credit bureau. A credit bureau pull was used to determine if the applicant qualified for the loan. Outside source. Additional outside source used to determine creditworthiness that is not listed in the current credit bureau list of options. Credit bureau and outside source. Additional outside source used to determine creditworthiness that is not listed in the current credit bureau list of options. Also, one of the credit bureaus available was used to determine creditworthiness. Credit bureau. This will be the credit bureau your company has set up to use for credit searches and is one of the following: Experian credit report was pulled to determine creditworthiness. TransUnion credit report was pulled to determine creditworthiness. Equifax credit report was pulled to determine creditworthiness. Veritech credit report was pulled to determine creditworthiness. Teletrack credit report was pulled to determine creditworthiness. Committal is a specific reason why the loan was denied. Some customers want to be generic when they send a denial letter, like unable to make a loan because of issues with applicant's credit, but not say what the reason is. With committal turned on in settings, a specific reason is given for why the loan was denied. Reason. If committal is selected to yes in the config area of software, the following reasons for denial of credit are available. To be more specific, denial options are chosen according to company policy. Please review the list of options and use according to company policy. If the reason for denying credit is not in the list, other can be selected. Approved for less amount. If the letter was created because the loan amount approved was less than the applicant requested, this field is the amount approved. When finished filling out all the information, the Create Letter button at the bottom of the screen will create the letter. The letters can be sent out immediately or at the end or beginning of each month per company policy. Letters can additionally be accessed by selecting the ECOA menu at the top. From this drop-down, you can create a new letter, search for an existing letter, create a test letter, This concludes the credit denial letter creation process overview video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.